Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lucia and today I'm going to show you how I achieved this back to school makeup look. This is the kind of makeup look that I would wear if I was still a high school student or if I was still going to university. This is the kind of look that shows that you're healthy and youthful looking. If you're gonna look good any time of the year, this is the time for you to do it because this is the time to be setting good impressions for everybody, especially if you're new to the school that you're going to, and then it just goes downhill from there. And then I also wanted to show you how it would look outside. That's why I'm filming out here, just so you guys can have a good look of how glowy and youthful your skin will look if you follow the steps that I included into the video. And so if you guys wanted to see how I achieved this makeup look, then go ahead and keep watching. And before we go on to the tutorial, I just wanted to ask you guys to make sure to like, subscribe, and share before you guys leave. Bye, have a good day. And today we're going to start by priming our skin with a Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer spray and the scent Rose. Once the primer spray dries, I'm going to put on my One Heck of a Blot primer to act as my mattifier, and then I'm just going to put that all over my T-zone. And then that's going to be followed by the E.L.F. Poreless Putty primer, which I like to put on my face with a damp sponge. And to even out my skin tone, I'm going to use this L'Oreal BB Cream in Anti-Fatigue that has an orange tinge to it, just so it can counteract all the dullness that's in my skin that appears as a purple tone. So at first I'm going to spread it all over my face using my fingers and then begin to tap it in with my damp beauty sponge once it's all over my face.
Yeah, as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. 'Cause we have different dreams, so we can never grow old. It's sad to know.
And of course, this is just an optional step, but I wanted to use the NYX Color Correcting Concealer palette just to spot conceal some of my blemishes.
It's sad to know.
For some more spot concealing action, I'm going to use the E.L.F. Camo Concealer to spot conceal some of the darkness under my eyes. And to set the concealer that I laid down under my eyes, I'm going to use the banana shade and the white shade right next to it. And to prevent me from being such an oily mess throughout the day, I'm going to use the translucent loose powder from NYC all over my face. And just to warm up my face, I'm going to go back in with the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette using the first and third brown shades at the bottom of the palette.
Yeah, as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. 'Cause we have different dreams, so we can never grow.
Go ahead and watch me struggle as I try to open this BH Cosmetics Blush Duo in Iris and put the lighter shade on my cheeks just for a slight flush.
Strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become
Going back in for the third time, using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, but this time I'm going to use the golden shade on the end of the top row for a slight glow.
we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again.
To set everything, I'm going to use one more time the Wet n Wild Primer Spray. I like using my setting spray before I put on my mascara just so they don't smudge. And then now I'm curling my eyelashes to prep them for the Essence Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. For such an affordable price, this mascara did a really great job of lengthening and volumizing my lashes, especially if you guys have lashes like I do, which are very wimpy and thin. You guys really need to try this one.
Looking back at the good times.
And just to save time, I'm just going to go back in with the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette just to fill in my brows. But of course, this is just a recommendation. You guys do not have to do this if you guys don't mind trying to find an actual brow product to use in the morning when you guys are rushing. This was just what I had laying in front of me, and I was just too lazy to get an actual eyebrow product. And to set my brows, I'm going to use this Essence Clear Brow Mascara. Like most people, my brows are like the easiest part of my makeup routine. The hardest part is my mascara because my lashes like to point straight down. It's annoying. So you guys can see here, I had to go back in over and over with my eyelash curler and my mascara just to make sure that they were curled properly. And once I got through the lashes, I'm going to apply this Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lip and Nude Thrill. As you can see, I was so happy. And then now we're gonna move on over to the hair.
I will let you in.